Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful hat for 3 to 5 year baby girl. So let's get started. So I am using a 4mm crochet hook for my project and this 3-ply crystal yarn. First of all, make a slip knot and then with the help of crochet hook we will make chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making these 4 chains, go into the very first chain and then make a slip stitch into it to form a ring. Now we would work into this ring, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now make another double crochet stitch into the ring. Make double crochet 4 into the ring, including the first 3 chains. Then make double crochet 5. Double crochet 6 and in this way make 6 more double crochet stitches into the ring. So I have completed 11 double crochet stitches including 3 chain, total of 12. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, which is our chain 3. At the top of chain 3 make a slip stitch. Now cut this extra yarn strand and start the second round. Make 3 chains for the second round also, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now into this chain 3, go from front to back and then back to front and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. This is called our front post double crochet stitch. Now into the very next double crochet stitch, first of all make a double crochet and then wrap the yarn. Go from front side of this double crochet stitch to the back and then into the first front side again, and then we would draw a loop like this. Pull the yarn through first 2 and then through other 2 to make a front post double crochet stitch. Now go into the third double crochet stitch and make a double crochet in it, simple regular double crochet, and then we would make a front post double crochet stitch into it. Then go into the next double crochet stitch and make a double crochet first into it, then make a front post double crochet stitch into this stitch like this. Now again into the next one, make simple regular double crochet stitch into this stitch and then make a front post double crochet stitch into the same stitch also. Repeat the process till the last double crochet. So I have made all double crochet and front post double crochet stitches of the previous round. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain and we would start our third round. Make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet into each of the next round. Then here is our front post double crochet stitch. We would make a double crochet first into it and then we would make a front post double crochet into this front post double crochet stitch like this. Now into the next double crochet stitch make a double crochet. After that we have a front post double crochet stitch again. First of all make a regular double crochet into it, then make a front post double crochet stitch into the same stitch also. Now into the next simple stitch, make a double crochet. After that we have again a front post double crochet stitch. First of all, make a double crochet into it, then make a front post double crochet stitch into this front post double crochet also. We would just repeat the process of making a double crochet into a double crochet stitch, a simple regular double crochet into the front post stitch, and a front post double crochet into the same front post stitch, and we would just complete the round with the same way. So I have made all stitches here. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain again and start the next round with the 3 chains. Then make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, then into the front post one make a double crochet and a front post double crochet stitch, then make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, then into the next one. After that we have a front post, make a simple regular double crochet first. After that make a front post double crochet into this front post double crochet stitch also, like this. Now again into the next 2 stitches make 2 double crochets, then into the front post double crochet stitch. First of all make a double crochet and then a front post double crochet stitch into this front post double crochet. Just complete the round this way. Now to start the next round, make 3 chains. Now make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, then into the next one, and after that we have a front post double crochet stitch here. Make a double crochet first and then a front post double crochet into this double crochet also. Into the next 3 double crochet stitches make double crochet stitches, one in the each, and after that we have front post double crochet. First of all we would make a double crochet in it and then we would make a front post double crochet into this same stitch, and we would complete the round following the same process. So I have completed this round. Start the next round with 3 chains, and into the next 3 stitches we would make double crochets in each one time, and then as we have done in the previous round make a double crochet into the front post double crochet stitch and then make a front post double crochet into the same double crochet stitch, because this is our increased stitch in which we would make a regular double crochet stitch and a front post double crochet stitch. This is exactly the same. We make a round circle of double crochet, but in this one I am making front post stitches. Now make 3 chains and start making double crochets in each of the next double crochet stitch. Then make a front post double crochet stitch into the front post one also, and just complete this round with the same process of increasing in the front post stitch. Now you can see in the next round I am making double crochets in each of the double crochet stitch, and in the front post we would make an increase by making a simple regular double crochet and then a front post double crochet stitch into the same stitch. Now from here make 3 chains and start making double crochets into each of the next double crochet stitches. And then make an increasing stitch into the front post double crochet stitch by making a regular double crochet and a front post double crochet stitch into the same stitch. So I have just completed this round also, and the base of hat is a bit more than 5.5 inches. You can just use any type of yarn. I am using a thin yarn. You can just decrease the number of rounds to get the exact size of the base also. Now you can see here is our front post double crochet stitch, and from this round we would make a front post double crochet stitch into this stitch only, because from this round we would not make any increase further. Now make double crochet stitches into each of the next double crochet stitch till our next front post double crochet. Now here is our front post double crochet stitch, and we would make only a front post double crochet in it. So in this round we would not make any increase, so I have made this round. And from here we would just make required number of rounds without any increase, because the base of our hat is completed. So we would just make double crochets in each of the double crochet stitch, and we would make only a front post double crochet stitch into the front post double crochet like this without any further increase. So I have made double crochets here, and into the next stitch we would make a front post double crochet, because this is our front post double crochet stitch. So in this way just make more rounds. So I have made a few rounds here. Now make chain 1 and make a single crochet into double crochet stitch. Now make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch, then into the next one, into each of the next double crochet stitches we would make a single crochet, then into the front post double crochet stitch make a single crochet also, and in this way we would make a few rounds of single crochet stitches here. So I have made 3 rounds of single crochet and we would change the color here, make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch with this change color. Pull this yarn and make 3 chains, which will be counted as a stitch. Now go into the second double crochet stitch and make a double crochet into it. Then go into the same stitch and make a double crochet like this. Then go into the next stitch, make a double crochet, go into the next single crochet stitch, make a double crochet 2 times, you can see. Then into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, into the next single crochet stitch, make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. To get a hat shape, we would make an increase one after the other stitch, and I have even the yarn ends inside this work also, so that I don't have to weave them separately. Just complete this round making 1 double crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochet into the second stitch. So I have completed the round here. Again change the color and make a slip stitch with this change color yarn. Make 3 chains and then start making double crochets from the next double crochet stitch. Very next double crochet stitch after the chain 3. Weave the yarn ends inside your work. Go into the second double crochet stitch and make a double crochet. Then go into the third double crochet stitch, make a double crochet. Then go into the fourth one, into the fifth one, and into each of the previous double crochet stitches we would make a double crochet with this change color yarn. So now complete this round and then we would make another round with this pink color yarn of simple double crochet stitches. So I have made 2 rounds with this pink color yarn and our hat is completed, which is for 3 to 5 year baby girl. A very beautiful hat with post stitch lining. So if you like it, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.